In this video, we are going to see how we can able to perform CRUD operations on Blazor and MySQL and Entity Framework. So in this video, in the last video, we have seen how to install MySQL and how to configure this Blazor server with MySQL and how to perform these migrations and all. In this video, we are going to see how we can able to create the model and how to make the migration of it and how to create the tables and all. So in this example, I am going to take a products model. So I will create a models folder here. So I'm going to take a class here to define my model. I'm taking some product model. Here I'm going to mention the product ID and product name. Product name will be string. And price will be double. I'm giving default as empty. So this is the product name and price, everything it is there. So we are going to perform we are going to add the products by the name and price. These two things we are going to implement in the database. For that we are going to add a DB migration. We are going to use the DB context. In this context we are going to define that DB set here. So this in this video studio you can see this Blazor underscore MySQL dot models is already taken. So when I write this property names and using namespaces, those namespaces are already taken care by this Visual Studio. So I've created this one. So we are going to perform the migration part. So in the tools we will be having this NuGet package manager and package manager console. So in this we are going to perform add migration for the product migration. So this is basically we are creating the product table. So I am using this naming convention as product migration. And then once you click on this one, it will create the migration file. You can see it in this migrations here. So this is the product migration file. Once we run that command, it will automatically create this file, and we can see here whatever we have defined in the product model, and that we can see here. So this is the name of the table, that is products, and we have the primary key of ID, and we have column names. Price and product name are the column names, and ID is the column name, one more, like it is the primary key. When we down this migration, we can it will takes the migration builder.drop table products, like we are creating the migration here, so we are going to up this one. If it is down, like we are going to remove this migration, we can perform this option, and this will remove the products table. So we are going to update this one. So the command is update database. So once we run this, this table has been generated in the database. We can check that in the MySQL workbench. So this is the MySQL workbench. Like in the previous video, we have seen how to install this MySQL workbench and how to generate the tables and all. you can refer to that video. I will give it in the description also. So here you can see the products table has been generated, and these are the column names are there: ID, product name, and price. So we are going to perform CRUD operations on this. For that I am going to uh, create a page here, that is products. That is, I'm going to take a razor component here. So the component tab will be products. So this is the name I'm giving here. Actually I will remove this and create a folder here, so that we can able to generate all the views uh, for that file. So new folder, I'm taking products. So here I'm going to take this razor component, that is index, and I'm going to take one more razor component, that is create, and one more is for edit. So these are all the razor components I have taken, and we are going to give the routing for this. So this index page we are going to give a routing. So the routing syntax will be @page, and then we are going to give routing as products slash, this is only products page. Okay, and the next one will be, in this page we are going to display all the products which are there in the database, like table. So in the next page, in the create, we are going to use routing as @page slash products slash create. In this page we are going to add the products here. So first we will display the product, and then we can go, like, we can add this edit routing also. Products slash edit. So once we run this, we can able to see all these routes here. Slash products. In the index page we are going to give h3 as, instead of index we will give products. Once we run this, this is having this facility, that hot reload. We can able to change anything in the code, and then we can press on this one, or we can save hot reload on save file. If we enable that one, if we save this thing, that browser will automatically refresh. So this products is working fine. So we are going to display all the products from database table to here. So what we are going to do is, there are some inbuilt functions that are there, which producted override and on initialize function. In this function we are going to we are going to use this function to get the values when the page is loaded. So here we are going to declare some variables, that is list of products, that is products, and then we are going to include here. We have one more place where we can include all the using statements in the this imports.razor file, so that we don't have to write for each page. once we come up, it will takes that reference. So to remove this to remove this uh, warning, we can go to this solution file, and then here it is saying that nullable enable, so we are going to remove that line so that we don't even get that warning in every page. Yeah, so what we are going to do, we have to use the inject keyword to have the db index in this page. So that is application db context, and the data folder it is having application db context. We are going to have that using in the import statements as well. Import treasure, that is data folder. So once we come back here, we are going to use the context like this. So once we inject this one, this is works as a dependency injection for this page, and we are going to display, like we are going to get the data from the database to assign that values into this products list. So products is, for that we are going to use the entity framework. The spelling was context dot products dot to list. So the entire values will be converted into list, and we are assigning that list to these products. So here we are going to use if condition. So if products is null, we just say we are loading the products, else if products dot count equals to 0, then we say no products, else we are going to take a table here. In this table we are going to have the head, and that we are going to have one tr, and we will be having tds of 3. In first td we will display id, in second td we will display name, and then price. So we will be having t body here, and here we are going to have a for each loop. So we are going to loop through all these products. So where product in products, we'll be having all these. So like this we are going to display products here. So we are going to have actions tab as well. So in this actions td, so we are going to have edit, also delete. So this is the table we have, and also we are going to append this table with class as table. This is bootstrap, so we are going to use bootstrap classes. So table striped, table bordered, like this we can able to give. Then we need to go to add product page as well. So for that I'm going to create a button here. So products dot slash create class btn. So we can run this. So right now we don't have the products, so we are not going to display, like we will be having this no products p tag, but once we add the products we can able to see in the table. I will add a product page here so that we can able to, we don't have to manually run URL. So that will be in the nav menu. Here I can add one more, that is products. Here you can see the products navigation menu scan. Once we click on this one we can able to see the products here. So right now it is saying no products, so but we are going to click this new button, it will redirect us to create. We are going to add this products in create page. For that we are going to use the properties, some properties we need. For that we need to have a model, that is product, and then we are going to use edit form. Edit form will takes the two functions, two parameters, that is model. So in here the model is product, and it will take on valid submit. If we submit on validation, after validation the function will kick off. So for that we are going to use one more function here, that is save. We are going to add this function here. So product name, in the same way we are going to have price, that will be input number, id will be automatically created. So I will put this inside a div that is of row. It's not required actually. Call sm6, that is fine. So here we are going to have one button to save this one. So now this is fine, so we can see the UI. Here we can go to this products page and then click on new. So it is throwing some error. We can check what is the error that is. It actually saying that we are not initiated this product model yet, so we are going to have an uninitialized method here. In this method we are going to initialize this product variable, and also we are going to have this we are going to inject that application DB. So we are going to redirect to main page after saving the product. For that we are going to use navigation manager. So what it will do is we can able to navigate through this navigation manager from a page to another page. Navigation manager dot navigate to the products page. So once we run this, we can able to create the product, so that will be saved in the products table. So here once we go to products page, you can see that there are no products available here. Once we click on new, you can see the product name and the price. So I'm going to give a product name here, that is t-shirt, and then that will be $8.99. So once we click on this product, so we can see that product has been created. So we are going to perform the we have performed this listing of the products and also creating of the products. We are only left with this edit and delete operations. So for that we are going to use the another page called edit page. So edit page is also almost same as this create product page. So I'm going to copy this one entire page and we go to products, edit, and we are going to replace this page. So in this page we are going to get the id here. So that is id, that is integer id. So in here we don't have this we are decorating this with the attribute called parameter. So we are getting this parameter from the uh, products page. When we click on this edit in the concerned row, we can able to get this id, and then we are going to pass that id to this edit page, and so that we can able to get the product here. So for that product we are going to use this id, and then context dot products dot star default. In this we are going to check for the id equals to id, and then that will once this id is there, we are going to filter it with the id, and then whatever the first comes, so that we are assigning to this product model, and we are going to have this product, and then we are going to display that product here. Also we are going to update this one. It is not creating, it is not, it is updating. Update product, and also we are going to change this to update. The function has to be update. So in the products page we are displaying this edit option, but we are not given any kind of anchor links here, so we are going to change that to anchor links, that is index page, and then we are going to have this link here slash products So this is the URL we are going to give. Here it is the products slash edit slash id, and in here we are going to have products slash edit slash, and this is the id we are passing here. So here we are going to give a class for this one, that is btn info I am giving. So once we save that, we can able to see that edit button here. Once we hover this one, you can able to see here uh, product slash edit slash 1. So once we click on this one, you can able to see that update is not, we haven't updated this create in the update page. Update product. So once we do that, it is updated. And if you want to change the name of the product, and also we can able to change the price. So for this I am going to give 900, and then I am going to update this one. Once I update, you can see the price has been updated and the name is. So if you want to change the t-shirt, that is small size, if I click on update, it will update the name as well. So till here we have performed the list operation and the create operation and the edit operation, and also we are going to perform this delete operation. For that we are going to go to index page and we are going to have this same link inside the delete as well, but we are going to have this here we are not having this, we will be having button of danger class and then delete. So here what we are going to pass, we are going to pass the entire product into that delete function. So we are going to have this on click and then we are going to create a delete function here. Delete product, and then we are going to have context dot products dot remove the product that we have passed in here, and also we will be having context dot save changes. And then one more thing we are going to have is we need to reload the products. So for that I am going to use this same thing and we are going to paste this here, and also we are going to use state has changed, that we have removed the product but we haven't updated the UI. So what it will do is once we remove the product it will update the state of the page. So in here we are going to have delete and then we are going to pass product. So it will delete the product and we can able to perform the delete operation. So once I run this, so once I go to products page, so you can see that delete operation is there, and I will add one more product here, that is small shirt, that is $4.99, and it is adding perfectly. And if I click on this delete button, it will delete the entire row. So if I delete this one, you can see that row has been deleted, and I can able to perform new operations, new shirt, that is $1.99, and click on next. So as you can see we can able to perform all these operations and we can able to change the prices and everything. So this is how the CRUD operations has been performed. But one more thing here is we haven't added authentication for this pages, for these 3 pages. So without login also we can able to perform these operations, but instead of that only the logged in user can be able to perform these operations. How we can able to do that? We can see that in the index page I'm going to give this page as a attribute of authorize. So what it will do is when the person is authorized, then only that page can be visible to that person, otherwise it will show not authorized exception, not authorized in the page. So the same thing I will apply it to the edit and create pages as well. So like this we can able to give the authentication for the pages. So once I done that, so when I come to refresh this one, So we haven't registered here. Once I click on this page, you can see not authorized. So if I going to log in the yesterday's what was the username and password, I will register as a new user. So mina@gmail.com. So once I log in, I will be redirected to the home page, and if I click on products, now I can able to see the products here. I can able to perform edit operations. I can able to perform all these things here. So like this, the CRUD operations has been like performed. So that's all for this video, and the next video we are going to see uh, uh, how authentication works with the different kind of pages and those kind of things. Yeah, thank you for this video. Thank you for watching this video, and then please subscribe if you are not subscribed yet. And in the future we are going to perform like a lot of different things. In that next video I am going to perform this entire operations, like whatever we have done in the code section, we will be keeping this entire thing in the service, and we are going to have this dependency injections and those kind of things. So thank you for this video. Thank you for watching this video.